So the second time, I don't bother with all 3 tests, the pinching. I just want to show the client he's there. Right? So that's good enough. The second time, it's just to show him. But when he's doing it at home by himself, he has nobody to do that. And the conscious mind will start to deteriorate its belief that it's there. Superconscious mind, can you show him something? It can be anything. And so he can recognize when he's at that level, yes or no. Please let me know when his conscious mind knows that. Thank you. All right, so superconscious mind, take him to high. So they can move again and talk again when they're in high, even though they don't like to. So I don't make them talk very much unless I have to. And if somebody really doesn't want to do it, I'll do it through the idiomotor responses. All right, this is too good to pass up, superconscious mind. He's very happy there. Superconscious mind, can we take him to... This is not in the first level, but I don't want to waste this. Superconscious mind, can you take him... Yeah, okay. Take him to divine, please, when he's there. Let the yes finger come up. Thank you. That's wonderful. Superconscious mind, let me know when you're back at high, because they'll only keep him there for a little bit. Won't. It's a little too good to have for too long.
Divine is
divine.
Divine.
Mm-hmm. Divine, yes.
Das ist das nächste Level.
Yeah, Olaf is he's a gift, this guy, I think. Mm-hmm. Really, it really is. I think he's yeah. It can be blissful. It can also be very intense, and it can be whatever to the client. So sometimes they don't stay there very long. Sometimes a few minutes. They like to stay for longer, but your superconscious will actually kick you out.